Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In previous lecture number 5, discussed to the managerial skills. And today I discuss lecture number 6. Topic today, my topic is scope of management. So firstly, I define to what is scope and how to important for the organizations. چې زمونږ لپاره management organization کی څه scope لري په management process کې په management کې all of the organization operations کې نو هغې ته مونږ د هغې څه وایو scope وایو لکه زمونږ سره د organization په management کې د organization په management کې څه scope دی ټیک ده نو first زموږ سره different type of scopes دي different types of scope ٹھیک ده first زموږ سره څه دی financial concern with the financial thing instead of budget account all of the activity which are concerned with the financial resources. This type of scope is financial scope. like په organization کې کم financially transactions چې کېږي کم budgeting کېږي کم accountancy چې کېږي کم investment چې کېږي کم ingoing financing چې کېږي په organization کې چې مختلف type of capital invest کېږي د مختلف organization نه یا د مختلف department نه موږ څه کوو financing کوو هغه ټول management موږ سره څوک کوي financial manager کوي نو هغه financial management په څه کې راځي په scope کې راځي نو first the scope of the management is financial management concerned with the budgeting and accounting concerned only to the financial activities concerned with the financial scope concerned with the financial activity performed within the organization and how to manage with this financial things. This scope is called financial scope. And the second one is the personal management. Second move are you personal management. Personal management them sara concern we the HR sara did how to recruit, selecting, training and development, performance appraisal, all of things which are concerned with the human resource. This management is called personal management. Personal management is how to recruit and how number of employees will be recruited and how to select it and recruit to hire employees for a selective job. Recruiting څه ته وایو دا یو پروسس دی چې پای کې موږ هایر کوو د یو سپیسیفیک جاب دپاره یو سپیسیفیک امپلایز on the base of the qualification and the base of the experience. This is called recruitment. Recruiting the person who's selecting or recruiting to hire someone. This person is called recruiter. Recruiting and recruiter. Recruiting the process and the recruiter the persons who hire the employees for a selective jobs. This person is called recruiter. In the process is called recruiting, selecting how to select the best employee for the operation of the organization. چې موږ د organization دپاره یو best employee select کو چې هغه مختلف operations په organizations کې کوي دا ته موږ څه وایو selection. Training and development. Training and development is the important management, the important source of the organizations, that how to train and how to improve the performance of the employee. Training means concerned with the I also discussed in the previous topic چې training څه concern with سره چې یو کس دی او هغه یو کار نشي کولی هله موږ څه ورکو training ورکو د سره لپاره د development چې پای کې د performance کې improvement راشي دا ته موږ څه وایو training and development. Performance appraisal and how to evaluate the performance of the employees. چې موږ څه وکړو د امپلایز پرفارمنس ایویلویشن وکړو چې دې زموږ سره څونه افیکټیو دی ټیک ده او څونه افیشنټ دی دې ته موږ څه وایو پرفارمنس اپریزل ټیک ده نو زموږ سره یو سکوپ شو فاینانشل بل زموږ سره څه شی دی پرسنل مینجمنټ فاینانشل مینجمنټ او بل زموږ سره پرسنل مینجمنټ بل زموږ سره راځي پرچیزنګ مینجمنټ third number answer razi purchasing management purchasing management different type of purchasing buying from the supplier these all activities how to control how to manage this type of activity which perform the organizations and this management is called purchasing management and how to manage and how to purchase which type of products for the production and which type of products will be provided to the consumer needs this type of management is called purchasing management like moon discuss the scope like په organization کې مختلف د organization لپاره د management څه scope دی نو په management کې زموږ سره دغه سي sub topics راځي چې د purchasing ستا manager ستا سي strong چې هغه د supplier نه د products اخلي د raw materials اخلي چې هغه زموږ سره د هغې باندې cost effective وي او efficient وي د خلکو په satisfy کېږي او provide کېږي د هغه basic need لپاره نو هغه زموږ سره څه شی دی purchasing management ټیک ده دا دریم نمبر شو څلورم نمبر دی زموږ سره production management بل زموږ سره راځي production management concern the production of organization efficient and effective production means to produce products production وایو څه ته production is وایو raw material processing toward products this process is called productions چې raw material موږ راوځي کو دا هغه د processing نه پاس کو processing نه چې کله یو raw material پاس شي نو هغه زموږ سره څه شي یو tangible څیز جوړ شي هغه tangible څیز ته موږ څه وایو product وایو د process ته موږ څه وایو productions ټیک ده the different type of raw materials will be combined into processing to make a specific products this is called as products and the process is called production and how to manage it ٹھیک ده چې زموږ سره په منیجمنت کې د پروډکشن سي دم یو رول دی یا دا یو سکوپ دی د سره لپاره د منیجمنت لپاره چې زموږ سره موږ داسې پروډکشن یوز کوو داسې ریال میټیریل یوز کوو هغه پروډکټ او د هغې د پروسس نه موږ یو پروډکټ جوړ کوو دا زموږ سره پروډکشن management بل زموږ سره چیرې maintenance management بل زموږ سره چیرې maintenance management زموږ سره چیرې maintenance management how to maintain different activities مختلف ډول اکټیویټیز په ارګنایزیشن پرفارم کیږي هغه زموږ سره څنګه کوو مینټین کوو په ارګنایزیشن کې چې زموږ سره ارګنایزیشن ته نقصان ونه رسي ارګنایزیشن ته زیات نه زیات فایده ورسوي نو هغې مینجمنټ موږ څه وایو مینټنس مینجمنټ بل زموږ سره راځي ټرانسپورټ مینجمنټ ټرانسپورټ مینجمنټ کنسرن ویر هاوسینګ یا ټرانسمیټینګ goods and services the transport management concerned with how to store the specific product and how to distribute the different products toward the consumer this is management is concerned with the transport management ठीक है زمسرة transport management زمسرة بلازي زمسرة distribution management ठीक है distribution management हम समझते हैं दाम जो सर यो important Scope there is a distribution management. Distribution management concerned with the marketing. यानी कि marketing research ये किस राजी marketing research राजी ठीक था यानी कि राजी promotion या promotion हो बदी कि ना राजी बदी कि राजी advertising ठीक था publicity and how to marketing research या marketing how to provide the best specific product toward the customer and how to satisfy the basic needs of the customer. This process is called distributions ठीक था distribution is उनसे concern with the marketing सर marketing उनसे तवायु marketing हूँ हागा चीज तवायु marketing यो process दे the process दे चिपाई की मुंगा यो basic या specific product provide को customer था that the basic need the satisfaction the para or the profit the maximization the para other process them so in marketing the process which provide the basic the specific product toward the customer and how to satisfy the basic need of the customer and how to maximize the organization profit. This process overall process is called marketing and the person who perform this activity is called market person and the place which perform these all of operations is called market ठीक था यो मार्केट दे यो मार्केटिंग दे यो मार्केट पर्सन दे मार्केट कम जी की चिदा एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म की मार्केट दे मार्केटिंग द प्रोसेस दे कम कस्ती परफॉर्म के आगा प्रोसेस दूं सो मार्केटिंग वो कस्टमर सो मार्केट पर्सन मार्केट रिसर्च दूसरा यो बेसिक activities the organizations की that how to evaluate the implies purchasing power marketing research में सरा जी जिकरा जम सरा the مختلف implies مختلف customers the organization outside جدا purchasing power ممكن को identified को जो purchasing power ده संगले ठीक था बल उनसे राजी advertising and how to publicity advertising से सरी the यो दायम यो basic thing ده सरा पर the organization the develop को ला पर जिसता the organization the product नसो खबर नहीं उसता product बसो संगवाली ना बस हम advertise को promote को बस बेस मानी advertising मानी ठीक था नो नंजम topic تلتا end show سو سكوب اب مانجمنت بس بديك يوبال خبر رادي سكوب اب مانجمنت كي دمسرا سكوب تدوش دون تبار رادي organization دو types دي يو profit organization دي يو non profit organization دي non profit organization profit organization هذا شيء أغا concern with to maximize profit or non-profit this is necessary to providing services not concerned with the profit. This is called non-profit organization. So scope of management both of the organization will be required ठीक था profit organization दूसरा आगा organization दी चाहे focus इनके बस मान दी profit earn की ठीक है अब provide की tangible चीज customer था आगा organization दूसरी profit based organization non-profit based organization concerned with the social services जो कम provide के organizations ناخذ مثلا دي non-profit organization دي our scope of management will be required both of the profit organizations and non-profit organizations okay ننظم سر ده topic بس ختم شو okay thank you